Hello guys, welcome to Fashion Wing. When it comes to preventing the spread of infection diseases like COVID-19, the experts say washing your hands with soap and warm water is the best way to protect. But if water and soap aren't available, your next best option is to use an alcohol-based sanitizer that contains at least 60% of alcohol. Making your own sanitizer is very easy, so let's make your own hand sanitizer at home. 1st of all, take rubbing alcohol. You can get the rubbing alcohol in any medical stores. First ingredient is aloe vera. I have an aloe vera plant in my garden, so I'm using it. Aloe vera is an important ingredient because it keeps the alcohol from drying out your hands. I'm taking the aloe vera extract now. If you don't have the aloe plant at home, you can buy it from any store. Cut it and take complete extract with spoon and blend it, or take extract like this. "100% pure aloe vera extract is ready. Take 2 pots of rubbing alcohol and add 1 pot of aloe vera gel to it. This keeps alcohol content around 60%. Here I am using the vitamin E capsules. If you don't have vitamin E capsule or any essential oil like lavender tea tree, you can also add lemon into it. This acts as a preservative. Here I am using the vitamin E capsules. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until they are well blended without any particles. That's all. Homemade sanitizer is ready. Let's try it. Take few drops of sanitizer into a palm of one hand. Rub your hands at least 60 seconds to kill the germs. Pour the sanitizer into an empty bottle. Thanks for watching the video. If my video is useful, please like, share, subscribe to Fashion Wing.